Nucky pop and I see you trying to tiptoe. You cannot outrun these bullets cause they already in your dome.
Talk to you a kid and I'm a fucking babysit. Spit, I need a fucking bib, I guess I am a hypocrite. They all are so fake, you can call it McLovin. Yo, bitch, throw that ass back and I start to fucking. You talk all that shit, but my sons, you is humming. I came with a knife, I'ma treat you like pumpkin. When I start to pop, you gon' fuck, it's disgusting. When I start to pop, you gon' drop, no discussion. I just bought some rain, you must break cause you run. One thing before I clean through. I'm a crazy motherfucker and I'm about to hit a breakthrough. Bitch talking shit, but everything they say is see-through. Since lip kicks on me, dirty poo. Bitch, I know what I'ma do, let them be jumping juice. Years to put that food, shit right up your belly hill. Hopping to my point of view, everyone is supposed to do. I'm a subtle toxic bio if you dead. Green flu, show. I'm a killer, young. Talk rap and I sold your fucking jaw. Bitch, it's Jigsaw. I just fucked your grandma. I'm easy to back in the law. So get down, your back feel on the wall. Cause I feel great, motherfucker. You fake, motherfucker. Once I'm close to deadly edge, I'm on the way, motherfucker. I feel great. I got your career on my back. You lying if you think you sane. System infected your brain. Future in front of a train. They gon' die. It's dead.
I hope you liked it while it lasted, but you probably didn't.
This bitch, I'm so scared that I can't think home. Go ahead and hide in your ass while I'm bruised in your tiptoe. Lil' nucky pop and I see you trying to tiptoe. You cannot hide from these bullets cause they already in your dome. Walk up in this bitch, I'm so scared that I can't think home. Go ahead and hide in your ass while I'm bruised in your tiptoe. Lil' nucky pop and I see you trying to tiptoe. You cannot hide from these bullets cause they